So I've been sitting around here for like 40 minutes just in the station. I gotta take a shit, but I really wanted you guys to see this Mutant Turtle train that's coming. I actually had to call the station manager or whatever, and he had to call somebody. This is Japanese service for you. They go beyond the ways, and I was about to leave because I told him I had to take a shit. Anyways, they finally tracked down where this Mutant Turtle Dinsha is. Keep an eye out for it. I'm gonna get it for you guys. The sacrifices I do for YouTube. Here's something coming. This might be it. Oh, there it is. Oh shit. You can't see it. Shit, though. Oh, there we go. Leonardo. I'll get closer when everybody gets in. It looks like a turtle, huh? Pretty cool, huh? Michelangelo, Leonardo, Donatello. I'll try and get Raphael before it closes. It's pretty cool. I like that. And of course, instead of Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, they call it Mutant Turtle. It came out on the 7th, Saturday. Last week, basically. Nice work, though. It's a clean-ass subway. Leonardo. Everybody's staring at me because I'm recording. So, it took a while, but I finally got it.
2番乗り場から橋本行き電車が発車します。扉にご注意ください。
Say goodbye. Suicide doors closed. And that's that. Goodbye. Like shadows in the night. So, there you guys go. I hope you appreciated that. I sat around for 40 minutes in a station. It's a good thing I got off early, though, to do that. That was the Ninja Turtles Mutant Turtle train station, the train. And I hope you appreciate the staff members as well, tracking down that train. Pretty nice. The Transformers ones was really nice as well, but I'm very surprised they did it for such a quiet station, quiet train line. Alright, that's it guys, peace.